Welcome to the legal age, Lisa. Happy birthday. You know that I'm always here for you. No matter what. And just remember, life is like a wheel. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, but you just need to be strong and bear with all the things that's around you. If you need me, I'm just here. Call me maybe. And I wish you all the best. Happy birthday. And don't forget to smile every day because every day is a blessing. And always take care of yourself now that you're 18. Pwede ka nang makulong. And happy birthday.